Al-Aqsa Mosque, Jerusalem. Al-Aqsa Mosque, also known as Al-Aqsa, is an Islamic holy place in the old city of Jerusalem. The site that includes the mosque along with the Dome of the Rock is also referred to as Al-Haram Ash-Sharif, or Sacred Noble Sanctuary. A site also known as the Temple Mount, the holiest site in Judaism, the place where the first and second temples are generally accepted to have stood. Widely considered as the third holiest site in Islam, Muslims believe that the Prophet Muhammad was transported from the sacred mosque in Makkah to Al-Aqsa during the night journey. Islamic tradition holds that Muhammad led prayers towards this site until the 17th month after the emigration, when God ordered him to turn towards the Kaaba. Al-Aqsa comes as 20th largest mosque of the world. Masjid-e-Toba, Gol Masjid, Karachi, Pakistan. Masjid-e-Toba or Toba Mosque is located in Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Locally, it is also known as the Gol Masjid. Masjid-e-Toba was built in 1969 in Defence Housing Society, Karachi's 19th largest mosque in the world. It is located just off Main Korangi Road. Masjid-e-Toba is often claimed to be the largest single-dome mosque in the world. It is also a major tourist attraction in Karachi. Masjid-e-Toba is built with pure white marble. The dome of the Masjid-e-Toba is 72 meters (236 feet) in diameter, and is balanced on a low surrounding wall with no central pillars. Masjid-e-Toba has a single minaret standing 70 meters high. The central prayer hall has a capacity of 5,000 people. It has been built keeping acoustics in mind. A person speaking inside one end of the dome can be heard at the other end. This mosque was designed by Pakistani architect Dr. Baba Hamid Jahan. Al-Fateh Mosque, Bahrain Grand Mosque. The Al-Fateh Mosque, also known as Al-Fateh Islamic Center or Al-Fateh Grand Mosque, is 18th of the largest mosques in the world, capable of accommodating over 7,000 worshippers at a time. Mosque is the largest place of worship in Bahrain. It is located next to the King Faisal Highway in Jaffa, which is a town located in the capital city of Manama. The mosque very close to the Royal Bahraini Palace, the residence of the King of Bahrain Hamad ibn Isa Al Khalifa. The huge dome built on top of the Al-Fateh Mosque is made of pure fiberglass. Sultan Ahmed Mosque, Istanbul. The Sultan Ahmed Mosque is a historical mosque in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey and the capital of the Ottoman Empire from 1453 to 1923. The mosque is popularly known as the Blue Mosque for the blue tiles adorning the walls of its interior. It was built between 1609 and 1616 during the rule of Ahmed I. Like many other mosques, it also comprises a tomb of the founder, a madrasa and a hospice. While still used as a mosque, the Sultan Ahmed Mosque has also become a popular tourist attraction. Sultan Ahmed Mosque is known as 17th largest mosque in the world. Grozny Central Dome Mosque. Akhmet Kadyrov Grozny Central Dome Mosque is located in Grozny, the capital of Chechnya, and bears the name of Akhmet Kadyrov. The mosque design is based on the Blue Mosque in Edigri, Istanbul. On October 16, 2008, the mosque was officially opened in a ceremony in which Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov spoke and was with Russian Prime Minister Vladimir Putin. This mosque is one of the biggest in Europe. In this mosque 10,000 Muslims can pray at a time, and its minarets reach 60 meters high and is 16th largest mosque in the world. Baitul Fuqar Mosque. The Baitul Fuqar Mosque is the largest mosque in Western Europe and 15th largest in the world with an area of 5.2 acres 21,000 square meters. The mosque complex can accommodate up to 10,000 worshippers. Built in 2003 at a cost of approximately £5 million, entirely from donations of the Ramia Muslim community. It is located in the southwest London suburb of Morden, next to Morden South Railway Station, 150 yards from the Morden Underground. Masjid Nagara, Malaysia. The Masjid Negara is the national mosque of Malaysia, located in Kuala Lumpur. It has a capacity of 15,000 people and is situated among 13 acres, 53,000 square meters of beautiful gardens. The original structure was designed by a three-person team from the Public Works Department, UK architect Howard Ashley and Malaysians Hisham Al-Bakri and Bahruddin Qasim. Originally built in 1965, it is a bold and modern approach in reinforced concrete, symbolic of the aspirations of a then newly independent Malaysia. Its key features are a 73-meter-high minaret and an 18-pointed star concrete main roof. The umbrella, synonymous with the tropics, is featured conspicuously. The main roof is reminiscent of an open umbrella. The minaret's cap a folded one. The folded plates of the concrete main roof is a creative solution to achieving the larger spans required in the main gathering hall, reflecting pools and fountains spread throughout the compound. Masjid Negara, known as 13th largest mosque in the world. Idka Mosque, China. The Idka Mosque is a mosque located in Kashgar, Xinjiang in the Western People's Republic of China. It is the largest mosque in China and 12th largest mosque in the world. Every Friday it houses nearly 10,000 worshippers and may accommodate up to 20,000. The mosque was built by Success Mirza in 1442, although it incorporated older structures dating back to 996 and covers 16,800 square meters. Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, Oman. In 1992, Sultan Qaboos directed that his country of Oman should have a grand mosque. A competition for its design took place in 1993, and after a site was chosen at Bushehr, construction commenced in 1995. Building work, which was undertaken by Karailiana Alavi LLC, took 6 years and 4 months. The mosque is built from 300,000 tons of Indian sandstone and 11th largest mosque in the world. The main Musalla prayer hall is square, external dimensions 74.4 by 74.4 meters, with a central dome rising to a height of 50 meters above the floor. The dome and the main minaret 90 meters and 4 flanking minarets 45.5 meters are the mosque Euro trademark sign's chief visual features. Batul Mukarram, Bangladesh. Batul Mukarram is the national mosque of Bangladesh. Located at the heart of Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh, the mosque was founded during the 1960s. The mosque has a capacity of 30,000, giving it the respectable position of being the 10th biggest mosque in the world. However, the mosque is constantly getting overcrowded. This especially occurs during the Islamic holy month of Ramadan, which has resulted in the Bangladeshi government having to add extensions to the mosque, thus increasing the capacity to at least 40,000. Jama Masjid, Delhi, India. Jama Masjid, commonly known as the Jama Masjid of Delhi, is the principal mosque of Old Delhi in India. Commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, builder of the Taj Mahal, and completed in the year 1656 AD. It is the largest and best-known mosque in India and 9th largest mosque in the world. It lies at the origin of a very busy central street of Old Delhi, Chandni Chowk. The later name, Jama Masjid, is a reference to the weekly Friday noon congregation prayers of Muslims, Juma, which are usually done at a mosque. The congregational mosque, the courtyard of the mosque, can hold up to 25,000 worshippers. Sheikh Zayed Mosque. Sheikh Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi is the largest mosque in the United Arab Emirates and the 8th largest mosque in the world. It is named after Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founder and the first president of the United Arab Emirates, who is also buried there. The mosque was officially opened in the Islamic month of Ramadan in 2007. Badshai Mosque, Lahore, Pakistan. The Badshai Mosque, or the Emperor's Mosque in Lahore, is the second largest mosque in Pakistan and South Asia and the 7th largest mosque in the world, epitomizing the beauty, passion and grandeur of the Mughal era. It is Lahore's most famous landmark and a major tourist attraction, capable of accommodating 10,000 worshippers in its main prayer hall and a further 100,000 in its courtyard and porticos. It remained the largest mosque in the world from 1673 to 1986, a period of 313 years. When overtaken in size by the completion of the Faisal Mosque in Islamabad. Today it remains the second largest mosque in Pakistan and South Asia and the fifth largest mosque in the world. Faisal Mosque, Islamabad, Pakistan. The Faisal Mosque in Islamabad is the largest mosque in Pakistan and South Asia and the sixth largest mosque in the world. It was the largest mosque in the world from 1986 to 1993 when overtaken in size by the completion of the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, Morocco. Subsequent expansions of the Masjid al-Haram, Grand Mosque of Mecca and the Al-Masjid al-Nabawi, Prophet's Mosque in Medina, Saudi Arabia during the 1990 relegated Faisal Mosque to fourth place in terms of size. Faisal Mosque is conceived as the national mosque of Pakistan. It has a covered area of 5,000 square feet and has a capacity to accommodate approximately 300,000 worshippers, 100,000 in its main prayer hall, courtyard and porticos and another 200,000 in its adjoining grounds. The Hassan II Mosque, located in Casablanca, is the largest mosque in Morocco and the fifth largest mosque in the world. Designed by the French architect Michel Pinceau and built by Bouygues. It stands on a promontory looking out to the Atlantic, which can be seen through a gigantic glass floor with room for 25,000 worshippers. A further 80,000 can be accommodated in the mosque's adjoining grounds for a total of 105,000 worshippers present at any given time at the Hassan II Mosque. Its minaret is the world's tallest at 210 meters, 689 feet. Istiqlal Mosque, or Masjid Istiqlal, in Jakarta, Indonesia, is the largest mosque in Southeast Asia in terms of capacity to accommodate people. However, in terms of building structure and land coverage, Istiqlal is the largest in Southeast Asia and fourth largest in the world. This national mosque of Indonesia was built to commemorate Indonesian independence, as nation's gratitude for God's blessings, the independence of Indonesia. Therefore the National Mosque of Indonesia was named Istiqlal, an Arabic word for independence. Imam Reza Shrine, in Mashhad, Iran, is a complex which contains the mausoleum of Imam Rida, the 8th Imam of 12 Shiites and known as third largest mosque of the world. Also contained within the complex include the Goha Shad Mosque, a museum, a library, 4 seminaries, a cemetery, the Razvi University of Islamic Sciences, a dining hall for pilgrims, vast prayer halls, and other buildings. Al-Masjid al-Nabawi, Mosque of the Prophet, often called the Prophet's Mosque, is a mosque situated in the city of Medina, as the final resting place of the Islamic Prophet Muhammad. It is considered the second holiest site in Islam by both Shia and Sunni Muslims, the first being the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, and is the second largest mosque in the world. Masjid al-Haram, Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Masjid al-Haram is the largest mosque in the world, located in the city of Mecca. It surrounds the Kaaba, the place which Muslims worldwide turn towards while offering daily prayers, and is Islam's holiest place. The mosque is also known as the Grand Mosque. The current structure covers an area of 4,008,020 square meters, 940 acres, including the outdoor and indoor praying spaces, and can accommodate up to 4 million Muslim worshippers during the Hajj period, one of the largest annual gatherings of people in the world.